Okay guys, let's continue with the next step, which is the subnet setup. This will allow us to connect to our containers through a Docker network. So we need to use our server as a router to communicate between our isolated containers and our devices and our services as well. So to do that, you just need to edit this file. So you can do that running this command, and look for these lines and uncomment them. So let's look for this one first. So you go over here and you look for the line, which is this one, net IPv4 forward, and I want to allow this one with number 1, and we're going to do that with the IPv6 as well, and with the value true or 1. And now we need just to save, Ctrl X, Y, enter, and we are going to restart the service. That's gonna be all. And now we just need to create we just need to create this Docker network. So we already created. Let's check this out. Sudo docker network list, and as you see, we created our Docker network. So let's continue with the next step.